How to create a project in Adobe Premiere Pro. Open Adobe Premiere Pro. Select New Project. Give a title or a name for the project. To change your location, select Browse. Select Renderer to choose your graphics card or choose Default. Select Timecode on Video Display Format. Select Audio Samples on Audio Display Format. Select HDV on Capture Format. Ensure tickmark on display the project item name and color to all interface. Now select OK to create a project. Your project has been successfully created. In Adobe Premiere Pro, it is possible to mess up the panels. You can change the panels anywhere you want. Select Windows from the toolbar. Select Workspaces. Select Reset to saved layout. The previous layout will appear. In this way, you can bring the layout. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.